The Indian Embassy in the state of Kuwait announced a two-year celebration that will conclude in August 2023 to mark the 75th Independence Day of the Republic.
The Indian Embassy launched their program in a press conference as Indian diplomatic missions worldwide have launched their own celebratory program. Here's more with Saleh Al-Ubaidi.
The Republic of India celebrates their Independence Day in the most colorful way around the globe. For the occasion of the 75th anniversary of independence, the Indian Embassy in Kuwait announced a two-year celebration that will be concluded on the 15th of August 2023.
We are launching the two-year-long celebrations of India's 75th anniversary of independence. It's a two-year program covering various aspects of India, like the progress it made in the economic, scientific areas, focusing on the freedom struggle which we had, the heroes, national heroes, and the cultural diversity of India, the cultural richness of India. So we will have a series of events starting from tomorrow. Tomorrow we are launching this two-year long program. And the objective of this also is to use each of these events to promote India-Kuwait relationship. We have a vibrant, deep-rooted relationship which is spanning over several decades.
The aim of this celebration, that is packed with activities and events, is to deepen the bilateral ties between both the state of Kuwait and the friendly Republic of India. This year will also mark the 60th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between the state of Kuwait and the Republic of India.
From the Indian Embassy in Kuwait, this was Saleh Al-Ubaidi reporting for Kuwait English News.